Individuals who own their own businesses generally have affairs that are much more complicated. They have various structures, businesses owned within those structures, trusts could be involved, self-managed super funds would be involved. So generally it's much more complicated. And so to get the estate planning right and the control of the assets after one of the principal owners has died is a really important thing to get right. The what-if scenarios that we do are specifically around understanding all of the assets and liabilities of our clients, and then doing a simulation of what would happen to all of those assets if one of the husband or the wife died, and looking at where the assets would go. Now, sometimes the outcome that would happen as a result of the will that they have on foot is not what they expect or they want. I have qualifications across both accounting, tax, financial management, financial advice, property. So generally all the assets we know how to deal with. We know the affairs of our clients very intimately, and when you get involved in doing their estate planning, it's where you really need to know everything perfectly. Doing the what-if scenario if someone dies really focuses everyone on the outcomes that they want. So we guide the client because we have knowledge across both financial planning, therefore understand their super funds. A lot of wealth these days is in people's super funds. So what happens to the super fund assets on death? You get all sorts of complex things you've got to consider and look for solutions to get the best outcome. And it's all got to be so tax effective.